So this is a quadrupedal micro-robot. So it's a 1.5 gram, 4.5 centimeter long robot that we've been developing that has 8 degrees of freedom. So basically with its 4 legs, it can move them horizontally and vertically. And because of this, we've been able to kind of like achieve tasks that similar sized robots have not been able to do up to now. If we look at like industry-oriented applications, typically one application here is that we can use this small-scale robot to start to achieve tasks in confined spaces that like usual robots can't do. Well, one of the great things with having such a small robot is that we can start to play around with engine inspection. So because of its size, now it's still a bit too big, but in the future we're hoping to like scale it down. But when we achieve this, we'll be able to insert it inside engines using like very fancy snake robots, so that we can insert a certain number of them and use this collective behavior to achieve like inspection tasks in a much more efficient way. An interesting part of this is that not only have we been able to do like research on this, but with this collaboration that we have with Rolls-Royce, we've been able to orient this research towards like specific applications. And working with Rolls-Royce has also given us like the opportunity to explore more manufacturing, like answering more manufacturing questions that are linked to the tasks that we want to achieve with Rolls-Royce. Well, I think that in 1.5 grams of robot here, we've got about 8 years of research, which makes it a concentrate of technology that we'd find nowhere else on Earth.